गरम होता है बटन बघतोय फक्त भाई.
Sachin, mute yourself. Hi, good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, Ravi.
Yeah, now everything is
Good
good, right?
afternoon, Ravi.
Yeah,
Good
correct.
afternoon,
Good
Ravi is
afternoon.
there. Yes, yes.
Yes,
Good
guys.
afternoon, Ravi.
Now everything is fine, right?
Yes, yes. Your voice is audible, Ravi.
Yes, it is.
Good. Let's see that, guys. I don't know today what happened now. Actually, the whatever I hosted that meeting yesterday, right? That meeting is not working. Again, I edited that meeting. Then I again sent. Then the people can able to join.
Yes, Ravi.
Hey, yeah. Hi,
Initially,
Amit.
some issue is there.
Okay,
Yeah,
Ravi.
something. No issue, guys. No issue. Okay, so okay. Hi, Amit. After so long time onward, you are there in the meeting. Welcome.
Yes,
To our
yes,
meeting.
Ravi. Thank you.
I hope Padma, I hope you remember him, right? He was there like initial day.
Yes,
Padma, I hope you remember this person, right?
Yeah.
Amit is also working in the Hyderabad, guys. Okay, so everyone is a working employee in our team. Like whoever there, like some experiences are there. Everyone, right?
Your voice is breaking, Ravi, not coming properly.
Your voice is breaking.
Okay, actually, in my place, little bit weather is not good now. Okay, so because of that, maybe. Okay, so don't worry. I will. Now it's good.
Yes, Ravi. Yeah.
yeah,
So,
now it's
you are
fine.
saying
Okay, if any disturbance is there, guys, don't feel agitated, right? Just let me know that. Let me know that. Okay, then I will think about that other way, right?
Okay, Ravi.
Yeah.
Yeah, we will let you.
Sure. Okay, guys. So today we are going to learn what is that. Till yesterday in the Spring Boot we learn what GSP pages, right? Today let's see that what is that theme leaf. Okay. So because our Spring Boot is supporting what theme leaf UI also, right? And what is the advantage with theme leaf and what is the disadvantage with what GSP pages? We know that, but just don't think about that theme leaf is a hero and what is that GSP is a zero. Based on that the client requirement, guys, so everything is a hero, right? Every technology is hero, and if no need that technology for that client, so that technology is zero. Okay, so if anybody is saying that anything is outdated or nothing is outdated, okay, based on that requirement, based on that client requirement, what the client need. Okay, so based on that the things will be there. Okay, so if anybody is like saying that oh, this is the outdated, this is no, current we are learning the Spring Boot microservices, but strut framework, right? Strut framework is there. That framework is still also trending in the market. Okay, so nothing is outdated, guys. Everything is there, right? If you have the knowledge, just whenever the client need and whenever the client will take interview at the time, if your profile will match and like you and you are the skilled person, right? Then what our client will hire in the project, right? So this is the reality. This is the reality whenever we are taking the interview. And what is that, first we are finding that based on that our project, right? If the person profile is match, right? So then what we are doing now, then we are scheduling the interview. After then what is, whenever we are asking the question in at that time more than we are thinking about that if we put this person like if the person will what there in the problem, like he will face the challenges, how the person will what like solve that challenge. Okay, solve that challenge. Okay, these things we are observing in the interview. Okay guys, so be prepare yourself. Okay now, like little bit think about yourself like logical area also guys. Okay, so okay guys, so now please share document. Which document, Roy? Which document you want? uh, yeah, Satish, yesterday you are not there in the session, I think, right? Voice is breaking now guys, come on, let me know that everyone again. Still voice is breaking now.
Yes, Ravi. Sometimes your voice is breaking.
No, your voice is not breaking, Ravi. Your voice is audible.
Okay,
Your
please,
voice
Ravi,
is
your
not
voice is not working.
please
Ravi
check.
voice is good.
Okay, please check your side net. Okay, Satish. I think your side only network issue is there. My side, I think, but because other people are listening, only you are not listening means what we can say.
Okay, okay.
Okay, guys. So let's mute yourself now. Okay, Satish. Now let's start the session now. Okay, guys. So okay, today our discussion is what now, guys? Today our discussion is what? Theme leaf. Okay, our UI will be theme leaf now. Okay, what is that theme? Theme leaf, right? Theme leaf. Theme leaf. Okay, this is also only UI only, right? Previously what we are taking for the UI purpose only, guys, GSP pages we are taking, right? GSP pages we are taking. So first what we are saying, let's some understand the point about that GSP now, guys. Okay, so we are using GSP for the dynamic UI only, right? Dynamic UI. Okay, pages. So dynamic web pages to creation, what is that UI, right? Which is given by Sun Microsystem, right? So Sun Microsystem is given what? GSP pages to what? Develop what? Our dynamic page. Okay. So but what is that internally? Whenever we are working anything, if we are writing one small code also on GSP page, then what is that? So internally that GSP code is converting in equivalent to what servlet code, guys. Okay, servlet is nothing but what? Java code only, right? So GSP is what? GSP is a servlet internally. Jasper, like what is that? Who is the converting our GSP pages into servlet? Jasper engine is there or not, guys? Come on, everyone. People know that Jasper container. Come on.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi. Correct.
Yeah, so Jasper container internally what? Jasper container is there, right? We are using what is that? We are doing the programming based on the tag base only, using what? Servlet, right? Using what? Sorry, GSP. But what is that internally? Jasper engine is there, right? Jasper engine, Jasper container. Jasper container is taking care to what? Converting that tag into what? Servlet equivalent code, right? Conversation GSP file into what? Servlet file. Okay, then compiler and what? Use container servlet container to execute that what? GSP file. Okay, so good, guys. So now what is that? GSP execution need more memory, guys. Okay, so why we are going to use what? Theme leaf. Currently Spring Boot, our Spring Boot is supporting what is that? It's not meaning that key, it's not meaning that sir theme leaf is given Spring Boot. No, pivotal team people. No, guys, because Spring Boot, who is the given now? Pivotal team only, na? Come on. Come on, guys, give the response also. Yeah, pivotal team people. Yeah, pivotal team is given what? Spring Boot now. Spring Boot. But what is that? Theme leaf is what? Third party now, guys. Okay, third party, not given by whom? Our Sun people, Oracle people, or Spring Boot. Like who is the develop Spring? Whose team is develop Spring Boot? Like pivotal? No, this is the totally third party UI, but it's supporting what? Dynamic. Like how we are using it. GSP page, similar things we can implement using what? Theme leaf. But whenever we will implement what? Using, the problem is what now, guys? The problem is what? Whenever using what? GSP page, right? Whenever we are using what? GSP page, its execution its execution need, what is that, needs what, more memory guys. Okay, more memory. Its execution need what, more memory. More memory. Okay, more memory. And we know that Java, sorry, servlet, sorry, GSP object. Okay, just I'm what revising these things guys. Okay, who know that GSP, those people can catch up. Okay, but who don't know, don't worry about that, don't worry about that. Okay, so like what is that, we know that what is that, request object is there or not guys? Request object.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, request object is there. After then what is that, a response object is there. Response object is there. After then what is that, config. If we are developing one servlet, these object will whenever we are running that GSP page, right, by default this object will create guys. Okay, this object will create to run what, to run our GSP page. Okay, to run our what, config. Then what is that, config object. After then what is that, context object, right, context object. After then what, context object is nothing but what guys, application object, right, context object, or we can say what, application object.
Yes.
Right, application object. After then what, page object, right, page object will create, right, page object will create. After then what, after then there are near about what, 11 object are there or not guys? Come on, these object will create. If we are writing
9 objects are there in JSP.
yeah, nine. Okay, 9. Yeah, correct. 9 object will create or not guys? Come on, by default. If we write what, one small code also in the GSP, this object explicitly will create. Unnecessary this object will create. Then what? Our what, memory will take or not guys? Come on, our application will take more memory or not guys? Come on.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. So, yeah, so then what is that, our application performance little bit will go to down or not guys? Come on. Come on. Yes. Yeah, so now
Ravi, correct.
Yes.
so we can say what, so we can say GSP is what, heavy weight UI, right? Heavyweight UI technology or not guys? Come on, we can say or not, it will take more memory, right? It will take what?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah,
It
it
is.
will, yeah, it will take more memory guys. So just okay, so only one question, just I'm writing what is that one question, why it is heavyweight UI technology guys? Okay, so what is that, our question is what, why is it heavy weight UI, right? Why it is heavyweight UI now? Anyone? Even normal, okay, so no problem. Even we are writing normal, just think about that in the GSP page. If we are writing it in the GSP page guys, okay, just think about that. This is the answer I'm going to give you. Okay, so if we are writing just what, h1 hello, right? Hello, right? Whenever we are writing what, h1 hello, so what will happen now? What will happen now on the GSP page? Just think about that. On the GSP page, if we are writing this hello page, right, so internally, you know, our GSP means what is that, Jasper container will convert this hello word in equivalent to what, servlet. So we know that what is that, out dot print ln, right? Out dot print ln now. Okay, so
Print
internal,
ln.
yeah,
Yes.
print ln, inside that it our what, inside that our container will place this one. Okay, h1 hello. After then what, slash h1, right, slash what, h1. So who will convert this code? If we are writing on the what, GSP page this tag, but internally whenever our Jasper will compile this what, GSP page, then internally what will happen now, like this code will convert guys. Okay, like this code, our what, Jasper container will convert. So if any conversation will happen now internally, some time it will take or not, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi,
Will
correct.
take
Yeah.
convert
So,
a conversion
yeah,
process.
if any conversation will happen now. So this is the Java code only, right? Come on, anyone? This is the servlet code or not, guys? Out.println. Come on.
Yes, servlet code.
Yes.
Servlet code. Yeah.
So
Yes.
means what is that? We know that, and
Out is
so internally what will happen now? This GSP code, this is the HTML code, but where we are writing now on the GSP page. If we are writing on the GSP page internally, that code will place our Jasper container will place like this. Okay, guys. So then we will get the output, our result. Then we will get. So this conversation will take more memory, and what is that? More time, right? More time. So because of that, what we will use now, guys? Because of that, we are going to use what? Theme-leaf UI, guys. Okay, Theme-leaf UI. So now client is our whatever the whoever client is using whatever Spring Boot, right? Spring Boot, those people are using what nowadays? Theme-leaf, guys. Okay, I'm not saying GSP is outdated. GSP is not outdated, guys, but so compared to what GSP, our what Theme-leaf is what? Lightweight. Because of that what our clients are using, what is that? UI pages. Our UI pages as what? Theme-leaf now. Okay, so our UI pages as what? Theme-leaf now. Okay, so what is that? Theme-leaf UI is what? Also server side, similar to GSP only, guys. Okay, similar to what? GSP only, Java based UI technology used to what? Create a dynamic web page. Okay, so to create what? Dynamic web page, it will convert, what is that? It will convert and execute only dynamic, like how we are using what? The last previously, how in the GSP, right? Sorry, in the Spring Boot view pages, which pages we are taking now, guys? GSP only, na? Come on.
yes, JSP only, sir.
Yeah, so it will convert and execute dynamic content only, right? As well as what? Static page, as well as what? Static content also, guys. Okay, so static contents remain
Yes.
same. If we are just writing on the theme leaf, right? If we are writing this code on the theme leaf, it will not convert like this. Okay, that what this tag will not convert. That tag will execute as it is only, like how our what? HTML pages are executing now, guys. So if our content will execute HTML, then it will take less time or not, guys, and less memory or not. Come on.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Or
So
Ravi, we can say that code redundancy issue or also, I think, right?
sorry.
I think a code redundancy issue in JSP page. Right?
No. Why code redundancy? You will see. There is no code redundancy, because code redundancy means what? If need in the programming, whenever we are doing the programming, if we are writing the same code like using multiple places, right? Then what? Code redundancy
Right.
will come. Code redundancy will come. But that is the GSP is old technology. Theme-leaf is what? New technology, and we know that whenever
New
just
technology.
so just think about that. In 2002 we are using which kind of mobile, and nowadays we are using what? Android phone, guys. Okay, so whenever any new things will come, more features will be there compared to what older version things are not, guys. Come on.
Yes.
So don't think about that. Don't think this perspective. Okay, so in the GSP code redundancy is there, and what Theme-leaf code redundancy? No. This is the very wrong comparison. Okay.
No. Yeah. No. This is not my intention. I think actually only one time return key means folder inside the folder. Then every time return, but with the help of theme.
So inside that, what?
That's why.
Don't worry. Still, I will give the clarity. Just we started it, right? Just we started internally. See here, I'm not going to explain what is that again GSP, but internally our Jasper container is converting. What is that? Our what? Our GSP page equivalent to servlet only. These things you people
Yes.
know that. These things you people know that. But what is that? our theme leaf is not going to convert our what HTML page equivalent to JSP. If this conversion will not happen, then what is that? That will become what? Little bit lightweight or not? Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Yes. Please go ahead. Please go ahead. Okay.
Okay, guys. So okay, good. So okay, so whenever we will develop it, guys. Okay, whenever we will use what is that theme leaf UI, so it's a third party. Okay, not from the Sun or Oracle, from the Spring Pivotal. From the Spring Pivotal also, this one is not there, but it can be integrate with what Spring Boot. But what is that theme leaf? We can integrate with what our Spring Boot also, right? Spring Boot also. This is the UI technology only. But what is that? This technology is not given by whom? Our Spring Oracle, or as well as what like our Spring Boot people. No, these people are not given this theme leaf. But what is that? Theme leaf is what is the, but our Spring Boot is supporting theme leaf now, guys. Okay, theme leaf. Okay, so but okay, so whenever we will work using what is that theme leaf, so we have need to add what? One dependency in our application. What dependency we will add it now, guys? Let's see that. Okay, let's see that. So what is that? Spring Boot, right? Spring Boot what? Starter. Starter theme leaf. So whenever we will create the project from here onward, guys, okay, whenever we will create the project from here onward, so which dependency we will use this dependency in our what? In our what? Application now, guys. Okay, so in our application we will use what? This dependency now. Okay, good. So after adding this dependency, what will happen now? So in the last whenever we are working now, we are adding what is that in the application, prefix and a suffix also, right? Come on, guys. Prefix and a suffix. View, what is that? Model view resolver. But
View
Yes,
resolver.
yes, Ravi.
yes, but whenever we will use what? Theme leaf pages, guys, no need to add what is that? Any folder in our application, or what is that? Any folder in our application, or we don't have need to write the tag. What is that? Spring dot what? MVC dot view dot what is the suffix and prefix. We don't have need to give by default. Whenever we will add this dependency, right? So related to what? Related to theme leaf page, right? Related to theme leaf page, by default prefix and suffix will come. Okay, prefix and suffix will come. What is that? Prefix. What is the prefix? Now let's create one first application now, guys. Okay, I'm going to create what? One application now. Write new file, new, what is that? Starter project. Okay, starter project now. After then what? Everything is good now. Okay, good. So here what is that? 5 and 6 application. Let's 6 application now. Okay, good. So now next, here what is that? Let's take Spring, sorry, web, and after then what we will take now? Dev. Let's take Dev also. After then theme leaf. Theme leaf dependency. Whenever we will add what? Theme leaf dependency. Now finish it. Okay. Six now. Okay, let's create it. Okay, I will show the folder structure also now, guys. Okay. Okay, good. So, okay, come here. Okay, where we will go now, guys? So here, right? Resource folder is there, right? Resource folder, inside that what templates is there or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, right, correct.
Yes.
Yes, right.
So this one will become by default what? Prefix and a suffix only, guys. Okay. This folder will become by default what? Prefix and a suffix now. Okay. So come here.
Suffix.
Prefix and what? Suffix. What prefix will become class path? Class. What is that path? Class path colon what? Slash. What is that? Templates, right? Templates folder will become what? Prefix. After then what? Suffix will become what? Dot html. Dot html. Now, okay, so what will become now, guys? So previously what suffix will be there now? Dot JSP, right? Because we are
Dot
using,
Or JSP, yes.
but here we are going to use direct HTML, right? There is no we are not going to take what GSP now, okay, as a UI page. So what is that come here? Okay, so this folder will become what? Prefix and a suffix, right? Suffix. Okay, so good now, guys. So let's move on and what? Let's create one small application, but first let's understand what is that folder structure now, where we will create that HTML now, guys. Okay, so good. So inside that, right? Inside that what? See, templates is there, right? Inside that what we will do now? We will create all HTML files now, guys. Okay, all HTML files. First I will show that what is the prefix and the suffix inside that what? 1 minute. Where this explanation I will show in the API only. 1 minute. Control Shift T. Okay. THY. Theme leaf is there now. Open it. It will show that here yesterday I seen that what is the prefix and the suffix by default we are getting now. Yeah, theme leaf auto configuration, right? Prefix properties. 1 minute, guys. I want to show that. Why it's not showing yesterday? I seen that.
With the, is in the team lift properties, the class team lift properties.
Okay, Control Shift T. Good. No, by default that I seen that yesterday. I forgot where I seen that.
They are the class in the class team lift properties.
Team leaf property.
Yes.
Oh yes. Here, right?
Control Shift T team lift properties. That is there a class?
Control Shift T. Okay, good.
Yes. Once.
Up team property there.
Yes.
This one
The
you are
weight
talking.
below.
Up.
No.
Up,
The
Ravi.
weight.
This
one.
Yes, good. Yes. Very good. Okay, so this, guys, what is that? Suffix is what by default? Which location is there now? Class path templates are there or not, guys? Come on. Very good. Everyone.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Yeah. So no,
Yes.
actually, yesterday night I opened this live property and again I forget it, guys. Okay, because morning onward, I'm doing a little bit some home because I'm there in home, right? So some homework also is there. So to complete it, so in that I forget it in which class I see that. Okay, so now okay, yeah, it's good, Amrani, right? You remembered it. It's very nice. So, okay, so here what is that? Class path templates is there, right? Class path templates is what is the default prefix? Now, what is the default suffix is what now, guys? .html or not, guys? Come on.
.html. Yes.
Come on. So, whatever.
Yes, Ravi. Is HTML.
So whatever explanation I'm giving as a theoretical, that is the correct I'm giving or not, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Everyone. So before
Yes.
whatever theory I'm explaining, just think about that. Before that, what I'm learning the API, guys. Okay, whatever given by whom, our Spring people, those API I'm learning, then I'm delivering to you people subject. Think about that. And other just what is that? They are searching on the internet and they are like practicing and all those things, and they are delivering this kind of things. Okay, so if you people sit in the interview also, right, this kind of things will go wrong. Come on, if anybody is explaining using what is that API now, come on, guys.
Yes.
Okay, so what is the by default folder now for the prefix and the suffix now, guys? Be active, guys. Everyone, be active now. Okay, I'm coming from near 40 kilometer onward. Okay, I went to my one relative. I am coming from there only for taking the session only because of that session. Okay, so be active now. Otherwise, you only will miss after ending the water things. Okay, so please be active. I want a response from you people now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. So now
Yes,
what is
Ravi.
yes, good. So let's see that. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, so where we will create the HTML, just I'm going to give one demo, guys. Okay, just I'm going to you people one demo. So where we will create it now, right click new, and what is that? Create one HTML file. Inside that template now. So just I'm taking home only. Home dot sorry, 1 minute. File. First take the file. So I'm taking one file now here. Okay, or take HTML. If you don't want to take the file, take HTML file also there, right? HTML, right? HTML file. Now next. So here what I'm going to take now, home.html. HTML, right? So next, finish now. So one HTML file is created. Inside that, what I'm going to do now, guys, just I'm taking one tag only, right? So here, what is that? Welcome to what? First application, right? First application. First application. So here now again. So whenever we will work on what? Whenever we will work on what? Theme leaf, right? Whenever we will work on what? Theme leaf. At the time, what we will do now, guys? So we will import first. What is that? we have need to import the theme leaf related tag, guys. Okay, we have need to import what? Theme leaf related what? Tags. Then our what? Then our this HTML page will work now, guys. Okay, then our HTML. So first go there, right? Where? Just go to internet. Theme leaf, right? Theme leaf. Just yeah. So theme leaf is there now. Just open it. And next, what you will do now? Just copy this URL. Copy this URL and come to our application now. Okay. So what is that? XMLNS, right? XMLNS colon. What is that? TH. This is what fixed now, guys. Okay, you can't change this one. You can change it, but what this one you can't change it. You should change it, right? Equal to what? Now inside that paste this URL, right? Based on that URL only, because this is the what documentation of what theme leaf, and here only what related to theme leaf tags are there. Okay, inside this one only, in this site only, what is that related to theme leaf, what tags are there, then our theme leaf will work, guys. Okay, so what is that? This is the mandatory line. Okay, this line is what mandatory to put inside our what HTML now, guys. Okay, so now good. So what we will do now? So we created what one JSP page here, right? We created Sachin, does it require internet connection while running? Okay, so okay, if I okay, it's a very nice question. Okay, who's that? Sachin, this is a very good question. Okay, I also not tried. Okay, I also not tried. I will try it. Okay, if I just disconnect the internet, right, then meeting also will disconnect here, so I can't check it now. Okay, so I will also check it. Okay, I did not check this one. Okay, so we will check it. Okay, we will check it. So try with your own also, right? Try with your own also. I don't know. Okay, clearly I'm saying that I don't know without internet it will work or not.
Yeah, Ravi
Working. Okay, good. So maybe cache, because first time it will take from the internet, and the second time onward it will store in the water our computer cache. So maybe it work, guys. Okay, maybe it work, but I'm not confident about that. Okay, and I can't misguide you. Okay, I know that. No, guys.
when Jaria updated.
Yeah, I don't know because I did not experimented this one. Okay, so okay, good. So this is the JSP. Sorry, this is what our page UI theme leaf page is created now, guys. Okay, so what is that? What we will do now? We will get what this message. Okay, so we need what this message now. But what is that? Our HTML page now, home.html, right? So let's create one controller now, guys. Okay, so right click new, and let's take one controller class, com.controller. And here what I'm going to take now, employee controller, right? Now finish it. Okay, our controller class is ready now, guys. Okay, so come here. So how we can make this class as what controller class? Which annotation we will use it now, guys? Come on.
Controller.
Yes. Yeah, controller now. Okay, good. So here let's take one method now. Public what? A string. So data, right? So data I'm taking just now. Okay, so return what?